tree right there. It's got to come down. And it's a pretty good one. Not, you know, huge, but another one too. Excuse our mess over our little shed there. That tree right there. That's hanging way over. Anyways, I just want to show you some chainsaws I have here. This one here, the top two are McCullochs. The first one's a 610. Pro Mac 610, sorry. Problem with this one is it is seized. That's not good, and it is rock solid, this thing. So we're going to pull it apart and have a look, see what's going on. But this is the other one here is another McCulloch. It's a Power Mac. It's my saw. It's just tiny. Some of you boys cut wood out there. I know this is just a small one, but good for what I'm doing. This third chainsaw down here is a Remington PL4. I believe it's like a mid-60s model. So I just want you guys to see that. A lot of you guys are right into chainsaws. It needs a carb rebuild, but other than that, it's fine. Looks relatively complete. Like I say, I'm no chainsaw guy, but it's all there. Pretty good shape. Just actually getting into chainsaws a little bit here, so any information on this saw or anything you want to just discuss chainsaws, feel free to leave a message down in the comments. But anyways, today I'm going to pull this one apart and try to determine why it's seized. See if it's worth fixing or not. Okay, so we were talking earlier about the saw being seized. And it is exactly that, seized solid. Okay, so we're going to start just by removing these two nuts, and we'll drop this side cover off so we can pull off the exhaust and take a look at the piston and see if it's scored or not. So loosen those off. Flip this gently over on the side here. I'm just going to remove this cover. Be careful that we don't lose the bar. With the muffler here, it goes right in underneath here, so we're going to have to remove these 4 screws to get rid of this bottom plate. That's just a slot screwdriver. Here's your spark arrestor, your whole muffler here. There's 3 bolts, 1, 2, and 3. They're 10 mil, and we'll take them out now. You can see what's in there. To let everyone know, when I woke up this morning it was 29 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're starting. let's have a look and see if we can see what's going on here. I'm trying to get in here so you can see it, but I hope you can see this okay, but this is pretty much finished. The cylinder will all be scored and the piston's all marked there. You can see just there a ring gap. You can see that there, but it's just all jam solid. And if I can get this thing to focus here. Well, everyone, I just wanted you to see what was causing that. Whether it's been ran too hot or with the incorrect mixture or the wrong type of oil in the fuel, I'm not really sure. But at any rate, it is done. So with the cost of a new jug and piston and the labor to put it all together, it's probably not worth the owner to fix it. But anyways, I just wanted you to see it. Thanks for watching.